this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok on your phone. And what we're going to do for this is we are going over to our App Store or our Google Play Store, and you just basically click on your store. And from here, you're going to click on the search bar, and here we are going to type in TikTok. And as you can see, one of the most popular results all the way at the top, we see TikTok. And as you can see, I have it already installed because I can only do an update. But if you don't have it installed, you are going to see download in the area where I see update and you see update in this video. So you basically click on that, then your app will be downloaded, and that will get you sorted with TikTok. And one note, if you are in the United States, then it could happen that TikTok will not pop up in your search bar or in your search results. And this has to do with the ban that has been applicable in the past. And in order to get this resolved, TikTok will probably update everything and communicate this with the App Store. And they will probably make sure that TikTok will be findable and searchable back again in the App Store for everyone, also from people from the United States. So if this doesn't pop up for you and you are from the United States, then you just have to be patient, and then this will be available soon enough. And if you have TikTok already installed on your phone and you are from the US, then it is best to just keep it on your phone and don't delete it, because then you will still be able to use it regardless this issue with downloading. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.